Alright guys, so you're going to take the brush I gave you, make sure everything is completely mixed up. This is conditioner, but we're just pretending. It should look kind of like this. Alright, so everything's completely mixed. You're going to part your hair where you normally part it. Make sure you get your part line really good first. Hold this for me. This is Sophia, my stepdaughter. Okay, so if she parts her hair right here, I'm gonna go on all the new growth, wherever you see the gray hair, that's where you're going to saturate. Then you wanna go around your whole part line, especially the parts that show the most, and get that really good. So you want to get everything around your face really good. Okay, the next thing is pretend that you're dividing your whole head into 4 sections. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so everything in front of the ear is going to be the front. Anything behind the ear is going to be in the back. Try to keep it neat so you know where you're going. You're going to do about a centimeter section. If you make it too thick, you're not going to get as good of coverage. Or you can also, some people say a centimeter, some people say 1/4 of an inch, also depending how thick your hair is. The thicker your hair, the smaller you want to make the section. Okay, so then you're just basically going to do this all the way down until you run out of hair, all the way to the bottom. Okay? So you're going to keep going, 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 going. Pretend I got all the way down to here. Then you're going to flip everything around and go back to the other side. That way. 1/4 of an inch. This side. Do not go over the parts that have already been previously colored. Do not try to take a comb and smudge it all down your hair. You do not want to put permanent color on top of hair that's already been colored. The reason why you're blasting open your cuticle too many times is going to be too damaging. Just leave it alone. Only get the new growth. All right, so same thing. All the way till you get to the very end. Then maybe you can have your husband, your kid, your dog, just kidding, somebody help you with the back. So once you get to that back section, make sure you get all the partings. Okay? Do one side and then do the other side. And just do clean sections all the way down until you get to the bottom of your head. If you absolutely have no one to help you, you're just going to have to get in the mirror. It's really hard, but do the best you can. Once you go all the way down, you're going to do the other side and go all the way down. Then you're going to lift your hair up and make sure you get the bottom of your nape and your whole hairline really good too. Because when you wear your hair up, that's what's going to show. Woo! all right? You're going to leave this on once you're done with everything for at least 40 minutes, 45 if you want to be extra. But at the very least, this needs to be on for 40 minutes. Make sure you wash it out thoroughly. Try not to use super hot water. Rinse it off, and as long as you saturated it properly and left it on for the right amount of time, you should be good to go. That's it.